langue plus que tu peux écouter des podcasts.
Pas de détails.
Ah, bah.
C'était pas fait pour ça. Ça. Oh.
Oh, maybe. I don't need to see a laptop. It's possible.
Not what I think.
I like the blue. It's blue on here, and there's a huge scratch. We're all studying like 5 whole days studying.
You know, the wheels, tires, and brakes in this car probably cost as much as your car does.
Ouais, j'ai entendu parler de ça. Quand même 3000 piastres. C'est ça. C'est genre 1 heure, je sais pas moi, 100 piastres pour 1 heure. Le père, hein.
Connaissez-vous l'émission? Ça, c'est la Porsche, je ne me trompe pas, c'est 5 euros. Oui, c'est la Porsche. Oui, cette semaine, c'est la Jaguar. La semaine prochaine, ça va être la Mustang. Ensuite, ça va être
You didn't get any classes for your dad.
Yeah, that's true. I didn't find Jeep, though. He wanted Jeeps.
He wants to get a Jeep?
Yeah, maybe. Like, he needs a good winter car, you know?
What?
He needs a good winter car.
But he can't drive his in winter?
Well, he can, but it's not a good winter car. That's what a Jeep is. Yeah. Well, it's a kind of SUV. It's not complicated. It's not complicated if you're a man.
I like the silver stripe though.
What silver stripe?
Like the...
It's black.
Why do lights make it look shiny?
I don't know, you have to be standing at the right angle. I saw people I know. Yeah. That guy from one of my classes that I pointed out to you, and the guy who knows Benji, etc. The guy at like the beginning who knows Benji.
These aren't new ones, these are like...
This one's from 2006. It's like relatively new. The orange one there that you thought the stripe was gray. That's like from this year, I think, or last year. No, it's because like the paint on this car is normally for like racing cars, and in the white dot they would write like the number of the car. But like this one isn't an actual, like it's not being raced, so like there's nothing written in it.
Ils disent que ça fait 0,60 en neuf, mais regarde, ça c'est moi quand je trouve. Elle a fait 107.
Pretty hard top.
Il y en a une à Maserati. C'est Jaguar à Laval.
Oui, ben c'est nous autres, c'est mon chum qui a vendu.
Ça me fait peut-être.
Ouais, mais
Il a essayé de le brosser assez.
C'est sûr que il y avait tu fais 160 ouais, elle fait bien pareil.
C'est vrai, hein?
C'est une de ses amies qui avait fait réparer. C'est pas lui, mais c'est bien pareil. Il avait monté ça 160. J'avais passé
surtout dans un garage comme ils ont.